হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আপনারা দেখছেন আমার চ্যানেল টেকনিক্যাল রিপোর্ট। আজ আমি আপনাদের সামনে কিছু পকেট গেজেট সম্বন্ধে ভিডিও নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। আপনারা এই পকেট গেজেটগুলো কোথা থেকে কিনতে পারবেন এবং এর সম্বন্ধে বিস্তারিত জানতে আমার এই ভিডিওর ডিসক্রিপশন বক্সে তা দেওয়া থাকবে। আপনারা চাইলে সেখান থেকে দেখতে পারেন। ভিডিওটি দেখতে থাকুন, ভালো লাগবে।
Meet the Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro, a portable phone cooler with a built-in battery. It uses thermoelectric cooler that allows mobile gamers to use their phones without overheating issues. Play your favorite power-consuming games anywhere you go. When fully functioning, the surface temperature of the phone can be reduced by 10 degrees Celsius. When it's not attached, the Direwolf-Pro's surface temperature can go down to minimum 2 degrees Celsius.
And it activates with just a single button. You can easily charge your Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro with a USB Type-C cable. Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro is extremely easy to hold and feels comfortable whenever you use it.
Let me introduce you to Dreamy Orbit, the first sleep and relaxation aid in one, using your mobile phone or tablet as a projector. Dreamy Orbit supports and helps you intuitively bring your breathing into the right relaxing balance. Just select sleep or relaxing mode. Start the app, put on Dreamy on your mobile phone or tablet, switch off the light and watch the selected projection. While watching the projection, listening to the relaxing sound, you can completely wind down. You can choose between several planets projected from the solar system. If you want to fall asleep, use the projected yoga breathing techniques. Intuitive, self-explanatory. Just follow the flow of the projected animations. Dreamy Orbit, the first sleep and relaxation aid in one, using your mobile phone or tablet as a projector.
We are presenting to you the world's first 5-in-1 charging cable, an innovation the world has never seen before. We call it High 5. One charging cable with 5 different connections to power almost any mobile device. We are all carrying our smartphones throughout the day. And we also like things that are small, handy and convenient. Technology needs to solve problems. The more problems solved, the better.
Well, now you do. Meet Flosstime, your personal floss reminder. Flosstime is the first smart floss dispenser designed to help you build daily flossing habits. It simply mounts to your bathroom mirror and acts as a visual reminder to clean in between your teeth. With the push of a button, Flosstime automatically dispenses the perfect amount of floss. Dentists recommend you floss at least once a day. So if used regularly, Flosstime lights up with a fun smile for a job well done.
Thanks for watching my video. ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট এন্ড শেয়ার করবেন। And don't forget to subscribe.